Hello guys, welcome to my this video, and in this JavaScript tutorial just I will show you how to remove the duplicate array but from a nested array. Okay, actually guys, I had already made a tutorial on that topic, but guys here the scenario is little bit of different and is the very important. So guys, I had already created a nested array. You can see here this one. Okay, and in this nested array, one array is the duplicate. You can see here is the user1 and user2, actually u1 and u2. Suppose guys, here I'm just giving an example. Suppose if anyone says user1 is the friend of user2, you can see, so this one user1 is the friend of user2, right? And here user3 is the friend of user4. So same way user1 is the friend of user5 again. Okay, so guys, suppose anyone say user1 is the friend of user2 like this way, and another person if says user2 is the friend of user1 like this. If anyone say user1 is the friend of user2, and if anyone say user2 is the friend of user1, so both are the similar in case here you can see. So these are the duplicate. Always it will not be like this way, user1 and here is the user2. So this and this are the duplicate, this array and this one is the duplicate. Always is not like you will get this way. Okay, or you can get like this way also, user2 and user1. So this one is the similar also, right? Because if anyone say user1 is the friend of user2 and another says user2 is the friend of user1, so both are the same case, right? So here the scenario is like that. So this one and this one is the duplicate array, so I have to remove this one from this array. Okay, how can do that? So guys, first of all the process will be very similar. If you had watched the previous tutorial, so it will be more easy to understand. Okay, so process will be very similar. So first of all I will convert this array as a string, not array. This array I will convert as a string value, right? So if I convert this as a string, so now I can check in this particular array what is the duplicate string, right? So how can do that? So first of all here I will write a variable that is called string and it's an array, right? So now here I will make a for each loop of this particular array. So here f1 dot for each, okay, and value this one. So now if I console dot log value, so what I will get? I guess you know what will be the output. In this value it will be the output like this because these are the value. Okay, so now if I refresh, so you can see I'm getting the value. You can see here, right? So now guys, here you can see these values are coming as an array format. So in this array format I cannot remove the duplicate one, so I have to be convert this array as a single string, right? So how can do that? Just in this str value, I mean str variable dot push and this value, right? So now if I console dot log this str, so let's see what I will get the output. So you can see I'm getting the output this one, but these are the array format, so I will convert it into a string. So I will write json dot stringify, and inside this json.stringify I will write this value. So now if I check, so you will find, you can see this is the array, and inside this array these are now not a nested array, now these are the string. You cannot say now these are the nested array, right? You can see here these are the string format, I mean array, and inside this array some string. You can see this on the one string, I mean first index, this is the second, this is the third, like this way, right? So guys, here you can see this string u1 u2 and here is the u2 u1. This string is not a similar. So how I can make it? First of all similar, so I can do sort, array sort. So if I array sort, so u1 u2, and after that here if I sort it ascending order, so u1 will becomes here and u2 will becomes here after sort. So here I can write value dot sort, right? So now you will find, if I refresh, you can see now this u1 is the first and then u2, because I sort this array. So now I can see here this string and this one is the same thing, right? So now I can remove the duplicate string from this array. because now it's not treated as a multiple array. Now it's treated, this one is the array, and after that there is the string value. So now I can remove the duplicate string. So now the process will be the same. So I can write another variable where filter array, but guys here the variable name you can write as per your choice. Okay, so now after sorting and converting into a string, I store into this str variable, I mean this variable. So now here I will write str dot filter, and here I will write a value. So value, and here I will write I means index. Okay, if you did not watch the previous tutorial how to remove the duplicate array, so you can watch this one. So there I already discussed how to work the filter method. Okay, so now guys here I will write here str dot index of triple equals to I, and I will do return. Okay, so now after doing that, here I will store it into this array. So now here I will write console dot log and this array. So save, sorry, here index of value, right? So now refresh. So you can see it's removed the duplicate one. You can see after converting here, the main thing is here in this particular area. Okay, so this line if you had done, so after that how you remove the duplicate, so you can write your process. Okay, but guys here you can see this is coming as a string format, but I have to make it an array again. So how can do that? So this filter array I will write here filter array dot for each again, and after that value, and now I will convert it into a I will just convert it into a string array format. So I will write another variable, so var and array result, actual result, so array. So now here I will write just result dot push, and now json dot parse value. So now here just I will console dot log result. So now you will find it's an array format, and in this array you can see it's a remove the duplicate one. So this way you can remove the duplicate one if the scenario is like this. Okay, so I hope guys you have enjoyed this video, and if you want to get more this type of video, so you can subscribe my channel, and if you find this video is helpful to you, so please like this video and also subscribe this channel.